Assalamu alaikum students. I hope so all of you fine and enjoy my videos and understand algebra. And in my previous video we discussed the identities. And in this video we will solve exercise 6.7 question number 1. Find the square of the following binomials by using identity. If you watch my video, last video, then you will be easily understand. First identity is this: a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab and plus b square. And the second identity is this: a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And third identity is used in question number 2. So we will solve just question number 1, in which both identities are used, and I have the solution of these questions. Part number A, x minus 2a, so we use identity number 2 and putting the values of this part. X minus 2y square is equal to x square, 2x 2y and 2y whole square. So x square minus 2 to the 4 xy as it is आ जाएंगे, and 4y square because 4 is the square of 2. Part B, we solve this part using identity number 1, which is this, and putting the values of 2x 2m plus 3 whole square is equal to 2m square plus 2 and 2m 3 and 3 whole square. So after multiplication we get 4m square plus 12m and plus 9. Part C, so using the identity number 2 we solve, putting the values of part. So p minus 4q whole square is equal to p square minus 2p 4q plus 4q square. So we will get p square minus 8p and plus 16q square, which is the square of 4. And part D, we using identity number 1 we solve this, which is the same, and we have a square plus 2ab and plus b square. And part E, 5u minus 2v, using the identity number 2 we solve a minus b whole square, and this is continue at the next page. 5u minus 2r whole square, 5u square minus 2, 5u and 2r and plus 2r whole square. So we get after multiplication 25u square minus 20ur and plus 4r square. And part F, 3x plus 5y, using identity number 1. So putting the values of this part, 3x plus 5y square is equal 3x square plus 2, 3x first value and second value 5y, and the whole square of second value 5y square. So after multiplication we get 9x square plus 30xy plus 25y square. Part G, a minus 5, using the identity number 2, putting the values of this part, a minus 5 whole square is equal to a square minus 2a5 plus 5 whole square. So after multiplication we get a square minus 10a and plus 25, which is the square of 5. Part H, 2r plus s, using the identity number 1 and putting the values of this part, 2r plus s whole square is equal to 2r square plus 2, 2r s and s square. So after multiplication we get 4r square, which is the square of 2, 4r s 2 to the 4 and s square. Part number I, 5y minus 3z, using the identity number 2 and putting the values of this part, 5y minus 3z whole square is equal to 5y square minus 2, 5y first value and second value 3z and plus 3z whole square. 25y square, 25 is the 5 square, and 30yz plus 9z square, 9 is the square of 3. Part J, 8f plus 9, using the identity number 1, a plus b square is equal a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this is the solution of the next part. 8f plus g whole square is equal to 8f square plus 2 8f second value gn plus g square. So after multiplication we get 64f square, because 64 is the square of 8 and 2 at the 16 fg and g square. Part K, 4a minus b. Using identity number 2, a minus b square, and putting the values of this part 4a minus b square is equal to 4a square minus 2 4ab plus b square. And after multiplication we get 16a square. 16 is the square of 4 minus 8 2 for the 8 8ab and plus b square. Part L, and which is the last one of question number 1, 9x minus 7y. Using the identity number 2, putting the values of this part 9x minus 7y whole square is equal to 9x square to 9x 7y plus 7y whole square. So after multiplication we get 81x square minus 29 multiply 7. So 2 7 the 14 and 14 9 the 126 xy plus 49 y square. So I hope so all of you understand easily of this question exercise 6.7, and in my next video we will solve next questions of this exercise. So please watch my videos, give a like and comment if you have any query or any question, so ask in my comment box. Till then, Allah Hafiz.